today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this vacuum that was sent to me by KALADO. So we're going to open it. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Okay. As you can see, this is what it looks like. A KALADO cordless vacuum, easily clean every corner. So let's see what it says on the box. So on the box, it states it has a brushless motor, a 2200 mAh. That means it has a 2200 amp. This will determine how long the battery lasts, which is pretty good. It has 2 suction adjustments. It also has a 1-click empty, which is awesome. So that's what it states right here. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. And as you can see, we have the manual, and is the KALADO cordless vacuum cleaner KCV500 model. So inside, okay, this is the base. Okay, so we have the crevices tool. This is a tool for getting into the crevices. We have so this is the regular floor brush, and it's also for wood floor, carpet, tile. Okay, in the box we also, okay, so this is the vacuum part. You see it's not fully charged, so I'm going to fully charge this before I use it, because I like to fully charge my devices before I use them. Okay, and we also have a replacement filter, and it's also washable. So this is a washable filter, which is pretty good. And then we have the plug. We got one more thing, guys. We got this brush. This is nice. As you can see, it's well packaged, so it's not going to get damaged in shipment, which is awesome. So I think you have to twist this part for the filter. Okay, and so there's already a filter inside. So basically this is just an extra spare filter, which is good. So let me put it back. So you just twist. Okay, snap it back into place. So let's go ahead and assemble this bad boy, charge it up, and see how it works. Oh, it looks like oh, guys. So it's adjustable. Look at that. This is awesome. Look at that. So you can adjust it to your height, which is perfect. And see, I'm a tall person. I'm 5'9", so it doesn't feel like it's too low. This is awesome, guys. Awesome. All right, so let me charge it up. So we're going to put the charger here, and we're going to charge it up. Oh, as you can see, it stands on its own, which is nice. So you don't have to leave it up. Wow, this is nice. This is real nice. And it also states here that when the battery power indicates is blinking, it means the vacuum is charging, and 3 green LEDs will remain on the screen when the battery is fully charged. So as you can see, it's charging. So we're gonna wait for 3 green steady light. Charging period is 4.5 hours and the runtime is 30 minutes on low and 18 minutes on high speed. Guys, as you can see, we are fully charged. We have 3 green steady lights. So now we're gonna go ahead and test out this bad boy. So one thing I did notice is that it is very lightweight when I'm carrying it around. So it's very light, and that's a plus. So let's go ahead and test this out. The KALADO cordless vacuum was very lightweight and easy to move around. The suction was so powerful, I had no problem getting the crumbs off the floor. I really love that I didn't have to hold down the trigger button while using the vacuum. The dustbrush tool was also easy to use, and I love the fact that it's portable, so if you want to use it in your car, you can also do so. The crevice tool was a plus to reach into difficult corners. The LED light on the front was a plus because you're also able to use it in dark places. The one-click release makes it so easy for you to empty the bin. For an affordable price, you can also be able to enjoy all these great features. The link to purchase the KALADO cordless vacuum KCV 500 will be in the description. Make your purchase between now and November 29th and you will get a 5% off using the discount code WUN5AQ6G. Guys, I can absolutely say I love it. It was just so easy to carry around, so easy to maneuver. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely recommend it. Guys, go ahead and get yours. And until next time, as we always say, peace.